In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Illustrator error that says dimensions of this page are out of range. This is a very common problem that happens when you try to create a very large document, import oversized artwork, or move objects too far outside the artboard in Adobe Illustrator. The good news is that this error is not actually a bug. It happens because Illustrator has a maximum canvas size limit, and once you understand that limit, it becomes very easy to fix. I'll walk you through several quick solutions, including the professional 1:10 scaling method used for billboards, how to enable Illustrator's large canvas feature, how to find hidden objects that may be causing the error, and how to reset your artboard coordinates so everything works normally again. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of these fixes. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, let's quickly understand why this error happens. Adobe Illustrator has a maximum canvas size of roughly 577 centimeters by 577 centimeters, which is about 227 inches. If you try to create an artboard bigger than that, or move artwork beyond those limits, Illustrator will show the message saying the dimensions of this page are out of range. This often happens when people are designing large banners, billboards, exhibition graphics, or large format prints. So the first and most common fix is something called the 1:10 rule. The 1:10 rule is the industry standard used by professional designers who work with large format printing. Instead of creating your document at the full real-world size, you simply create it at 10% of the actual size. For example, if your final banner needs to be 500 centimeters wide, you would create your Illustrator document at 50 centimeters instead. Then when you send the file to the print shop, you simply tell them to scale the artwork up by 1000% during production. This keeps the file inside Illustrator's limits while still producing the correct final size. Many professional print shops actually prefer receiving files this way because it keeps the document lighter and easier to process. The second fix is to use Illustrator's large canvas feature. Starting from Adobe Illustrator version 24.2, Adobe introduced something called large canvas mode. This allows documents to be up to 100 times larger than the normal canvas limit. To enable this, create a new document and make sure your units are set to pixels, points, or inches in the new document window. Then simply type in a very large dimension. When Illustrator detects a large size, it will automatically activate large canvas mode. You may notice a small scale icon appear next to your document dimensions. That icon means Illustrator has switched to large canvas mode automatically. Once this mode is active, you'll be able to work with extremely large artwork without triggering the out-of-range error. Now, let's talk about another common cause of this problem, which is hidden objects or stray points far outside your artboard. Sometimes when you copy artwork, paste elements, or import files from other software, tiny invisible objects can appear far away from your main design. Illustrator still counts those objects when calculating the canvas area. To check for this, press Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac to select everything in your document. Look at the selection box that appears. If the selection boundary looks extremely large or stretches far away from your artboard, that means there's likely a stray object somewhere. Zoom out and look for tiny dots or objects sitting far outside the design area, then simply delete them. Once those stray objects are removed, the error usually disappears. Another quick fix is resetting your artboard coordinates. Sometimes the artboard itself gets moved extremely far away from the center of the canvas, which can trigger the out-of-range warning. To fix this, select the Artboard tool by pressing Shift-O on your keyboard. Then look at the control bar at the top of Illustrator. You'll see X and Y coordinate values that control the position of the artboard. If these numbers are extremely large, sometimes in the thousands or even millions, simply change both values back to 0. This will recenter the artboard on the canvas and often resolves the problem instantly. So to quickly recap, if you see the Illustrator error saying dimensions of this page are out of range, you can fix it by scaling your document using the 1:10 rule, enabling the large canvas feature for oversized designs, deleting stray objects that sit far outside the artboard, or resetting the artboard coordinates back to 0. One of these methods will almost always solve the issue. I hope this helped you fix the problem quickly and get back to designing with frustration. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips, design fixes, and quick software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.